guys, welcome back to my channel, plus welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're doing a review of the 18-inch Lasko pedestal fan, but with remotes, no switches. Yep, they have no switches. And no oscillator button too. But, here's some special news. This has more blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This fan has 10 blades. And it has a remote. So let's turn on high maybe. So here it is. So here it is on high. Look at the On My Breeze tower fan that I used to have before we could even return it. Okay, let's see. We're on speed 1. Just speed 2. We're on speed 2. Now speed 3. That's the motor. Now let's do speed 6. Yeah, these fans bring a lot of air in. Yeah. I may or not get one of these. I don't know. The cool thing is, on the box, they have a remote. Yep. We should get one of these. Yeah. More power. Yeah. These fans are pretty cool, y'all. Like, this one blows cold air. Yep. It's a fan. Plus, there's an oscillator. Yep, they have the oscillator button. Yep. Let's turn it back to normal. Okay, now let's go turn it off. Wow. So here it is. The Lasko fan's now off. Yeah. I even saw these at Costco one day when we were reviewing some fans that have a lot of air. It's called the 18-inch Lasko Windstorm pedestal fan. Yep. By the way, y'all, that's it for this video, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to leave in the comments and notifications. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye.